Hello, we're at Alton Towers again today. Only my second visit of the year, which is disappointing because I love this place. Antonio's first time here. Jan's second time, he's down there vlogging somewhere. But yeah, very excited to be here. And we're going to be joined by some special guests soon as well. Phalanx frogs. Oh yeah. First time seeing Forbidden Valley? It is crazy. Joined by a guest as well. Alton Towers, hello.
Amazing.
First time seeing it, it is incredible.
I can't believe it. No, smell it.
What did you think? First ever ride on Nemesis?
I loved it.
Oh, it was amazing. For a morning ride, that was much quicker than opening day. I was very, very impressed. What did you think? What did you think?
Oh, unbelievable.
So
unbelievable.
good.
It's just as good as the original.
Oh, there's actors out as well.
Oh. That is.
What do you think?
That is the best B&M invert I've ever been on.
Yes. Oh, the wind! Wait, say that again.
That was a top 10 worthy ride.
What have they done to that thing? Back row, that is riding like how, that is riding how the old one used to ride at the end of the day, and that's like the 5th train of the day. That is insane. We need to check if the Phalanx thing's still here.
What?
It's gone. They've removed it.
I knew it's way better in second. It was alright.
It's okay.
Nothing too crazy.
No, I've got nothing wrong with the coaster. The coaster's fine. It's just the theming's just very boring, isn't it?
Boring.
It needs a lot of money spending on it.
I think it's better at the back too.
Yeah.
Yeah, the front has no forces at all.
Yeah, I do.
Which I like.
Yeah, it's got like a nice chill coaster. What do you think?
That was something.
Yeah, it was a lot.
That's weird.
My pants are very brown now because I got the jump scare at the end with the actor. But yeah, as an experience, it's pretty good. I think one of the effects wasn't working in the lift on the way out, but it's so cool. It just adds to the Nemesis story so much, which I love. The avid GCI enthusiast, are you excited? So many beams. So, Mr. GCI enthusiast, recommend. What did you think?
I love it.
It is very good. We need to try back row later though, because it's much better on the back.
Yeah, far better, yeah.
It's fantastic. All right, the pre-show as well.
Oh, the pre-show
I could
was
hear you like giggling. It was so good. Is it a bit of sensory overload for you? Yes. There's just so much going on. Going the smiler now. It's very loud. It's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, anytime now.
Are you checking out a coaster support? Yes, you are. Woo! It's so cool. There's just so much going on in this field. It's kind of wild. So we've just been on the smiler. What do you think, Mr. Ghost Flower Enjoyer?
It's a lot.
It is a lot.
It's a lot. It's crazy.
It is crazy. It was running a little bit rapidly. I don't know whether that's because it's just not got any rain to kind of make it run faster. What do you think?
I've been mobilised.
Yes, we've all been marvelised.
It was alright. It was good.
It was very good. Anyway, Oblivion now.
Way better than last time.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Floaty.
So much floaty.
Floaty and then really positive.
Yeah, the floater down the first row is brilliant. That tunnel's like definitely loud. We'll go this way. We're going Dark Forest now.
Oh yeah. Just wait.
13, first ever drop track. It's not really a spoiler. It happened like 10 years ago. Deal with it.
It's fun. It's fun.
It's very fun. Yeah. Shame about the first drop. There's a lot of trims, but you can't beat that drop track. It's fantastic. I think we're going to do this now.
Warm as well. Come in a little plastic.
That was Rita. Very fun.
Fast.
Very fast.
Rattly.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like you can either have a very good ride on Rita or a very bad, like in terms of roughness. And it was alright. It was kind of in the middle. But I'm gonna go and do Curse now. Final rides on probably Nemesis, and then that'll be it for the day because it closes at 4, which is a bit unfortunate. Would have liked a bit more time, but we've got a second day as well, so we'll get loads of re-rides then. We just did Curse at the Manor. That was brilliant. What did you think?
Oh, it was awesome.
It's so good.
Rides out there.
It really is. The
I
amount
didn't
of
wear my brown pants though.
the amount of money and effort that they've put into restoring that and making it even better than it was before. Fantastic. That's it, day done at Towers. Did you enjoy it? Your first ever time here?
Yes, it was incredible.
It's such a good park.
So good.
You haven't been in quite a long time as well?
No, 10 years.
Wow.
So
It's
good.
so good. Your second ever visit. I've been here too many times.
Blew my expectations out of the water.
Oh yeah, it's ridiculous. It's unbelievably forceful.
Yeah.
It's such a good day. But yeah, next vlog, Blackpool. See you then.